Today, we will talk about how to remove bird poop from car without damaging paint. Let's have a look at the details. Sometimes it seems like birds think our vehicles are custom-built toilets. One unfortunate parking job is all it takes to replace that off-the-lot sparkle with a new bird poop-colored paint job. It's unsightly and a little gross, but thankfully it's not a super tough problem to fix. All it takes is some elbow grease and one or two off-the-shelf or even at-home remedies to get your wheels shiny again. We'll give you 11 ways to clean bird poop off your car, so those foul droppings don't drive you mad. Number 1. Water. Soak the stain in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes to let it break down. Typically, you don't need to look any further than some warm water to lift bird poo. Use a spray bottle to soak the poop, or simply dump a cup of water onto it until it's completely saturated. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Then wipe it away with a rag or a microfiber cloth. Number 2. Seltzer Water. Soak the poop in club soda for 10 to 15 minutes before wiping it away. Then, gently but firmly wipe the poop away with the rag, and rinse the spot clean with a splash of water. Number 3. Baking soda. Mix baking soda and water to make a poo-fighting spray. Bird droppings are acidic, so baking soda, which is alkaline, makes the perfect, specialized cleaner. Saturate the poo with the baking soda spray. Let it break down the poo for about 15 minutes. Then wipe it away with a microfiber towel. Number 4. WD-40. Hit the stain with some WD-40 and wait 15 to 30 minutes. WD-40 is some sort of miracle substance, given just how many uses it has. Ridding your ride on bird poop is among them. Number 5. Car wipes. Wipe away bird poop with a specialized product. Yes, they exist. And yes, they work. Number 6. Detailer spray. Scrub the spot with a rag soaked in detailer spray for a speedy shine. Detailer spray is what they use at car dealerships to give the floor models a quick shine. It's also handy for small trouble spots like bird poop. Number 7. Glass cleaner. For windows, spray glass cleaner directly onto any poop on your windows. While glass cleaner is a bit too harsh for painted areas, it's a no-brainer for your windshield or other windows. Give the bird poop 3 to 4 sprays, then firmly wipe it away with a microfiber towel until that glass is spick and span. The vinegar in the spray will break down and lift the droppings with ease. Number 8. Laundry detergent for upholstery. To clean your car seats, wait for the poop to dry. Then scrape the dried poop off the upholstery with a paper towel or a blunt knife. Then, dampen a rag with warm water and a dab of detergent, and scrub away the residue. Number 9. Stiff bristled brush for floor mats. Remove and clean your floor mats with a stiff brush. Finally, rinse the mat down with a hose and let it dry for an hour or two before placing it back in your car. Number 10. Commercial car wash. Take a spin through a nearby automatic car wash. It's quick, it's easy, and all those spinning scrubbers put on a show while they wipe your car clean of bird poop. What's more, commercial car washes recycle dirty water and properly dispose of it, making this an eco-friendly and hands-off solution. And number 11. Professional service. Visit a pro car detailer for top-notch service. When all else fails, take your ride into an auto body or detailing shop. The pros will give you a full wash and wax, and even fix any chipped paint while you're there. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.